My name is Scott Ankoviak. I'm with Tevis Oil and Propane. I'm the site estimator for our department. Right now we're actually unloading the propane tank from the truck on site. We've actually just finished excavating the hole for the underground propane tank. We've also excavated the supply line to connect to the existing stub out for the interior appliances. We'll then set the tank in the hole using the backhoe, fill it with sand, connect the supply line, and backfill with the dirt. We're actually leveling the tank right now, making sure that the tank is not only level, but the dome is sticking up above grade. Part of our tank installation is cathodic protection on the tank, which actually helps protect the tank from corrosive components in the soil and moisture. The anode bags are placed in the ditch next to the tank, and any corrosive components or moisture will get drawn to that anode bag before it gets drawn to our steel tank. We actually wet the anode bags to activate them. The underground propane tanks are powder coated and UV protected. He's filling it with sand to basically protect the tank. We will actually backfill with some of the dirt that you see here, but the sand obviously has no rocks or large stones in it. So the gray line that they're installing right now is a vent for the regulator. The yellow line is actually the supply line. That's going to supply the propane from the tank to the interior appliances. That's an underground high pressure line that we use. It comes from the tank at tank pressure into a regulator that reduces it down from tank pressure to 10 pounds and then runs underground at 10 pounds to a regulator that'll be mounted on the house at a later time. We also put tracer wire in the ditch, and this helps us locate the underground line if we ever have to move a line or add a line.
Gauge the other way and I'll pump
okay.
This way.
This is the county required air test that goes on the underground supply line. We soap all the fittings. The final stages of the tank installation, we actually have the tank pretty much backfilled and we're cleaning up. All of our installations are left in rough grade condition, which doesn't mean we're going to come in and tear your yard up, but it also means we're not going to seed and straw. So we get it cleaned up. All the extra dirt normally remains on site. We did excavate the hole, so there will be some settling. Once again, I'm Scott with Tevis Oil and Propane. We finished our installation of our underground propane tank. We've left 2 spots open so the inspector can inspect our ditch and tank location. We've put an air test on the line. The next step would be for us to come back and actually install the regulators on the system and do our gas check. As far as the grade, all of our installations are left in a rough grade condition. All the extra dirt is left on site. It would be up to the builder or homeowner to do a final grade according to their specifications.